Hey SLO hi, and welcome to another at-home edition of TNN. It's the middle of October and we're about halfway done with our first semester. I'm Byde for Tigers News Network.
And I'm Alex Thorne. On today's show, we've got announcements about some upcoming Key Club trick-or-treat fundraisers, college application workshops, and we'll catch up with one of last year's exchange students, Alessandro Lupi, to see how he transitioned back to Italy after SLO County went into lockdown. Now here comes the news you need to know.
Tigers, Homebound week is coming upon us on October 26th. We are sad homecoming week won't happen as normal this year due to COVID restrictions, but excited to announce a fun week of activities that we can do from our own homes. Stay tuned for more information.
Thanks, Grace. In club news, Key Club is doing Trick or Treat for UNICEF this year, but since we are virtual, the fundraiser goes all month. If you would like to donate to UNICEF this Halloween season, scan the QR code or the link below to make your contribution. You can play games and do crafts to raise money. Thanks, Tigers!
Seniors, keep submitting those senior photos to Mr. Heimerdinger. The deadline for getting your portraits in is October 30th. If you have any questions, contact him or go to the SLO High School Instagram page at SLOHSYB for more information.
Join loads of college reps from around the country or join a workshop on financial aid, college essay scholarships, and more. Monday, October 26, 2020, 5:30 to 7 p.m.
You're invited to College Night for San Luis Obispo County, October 26th from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. This year's event will be hosted virtually, so you can join from anywhere. Several topics will be discussed, including financial aid, scholarships, and admission essay writing, with more than 60 colleges and workshops available for you to attend. This virtual event is open to all students and families in SLO County. Register now by going to collegenight.slo.com.
Beginning Friday, October 23rd, the Counseling Department will be hosting college application workshops via Zoom from 2:30 to 3:30 every Friday until Thanksgiving break. Zoom links will be provided through the Counseling Google Classroom.
Next, we have a story from our TNN reporter, Michael Lanier, about one of our favorite exchange students from last year, Alessandro Lupi.
What's up, Tigers? It's Michael here for TNN at Home Edition. Today, I sat down with former exchange student Alessandro Lupi, aka Alex, to see what his life has been like since school shut down last year. What was it like for you when school shut down and the whole quarantine thing started?
I don't know. It was kind of strange. I mean, a lot of this stuff was already happening in Italy, so I was kind of prepared because my friends were telling me that like their school shut down and all this stuff. But like it was like I didn't think they would hit slow hike too. It was like I was living in a dream. I was like, no, it's gonna happen here. I'm not gonna go home. Everything is gonna be normal.
What was it like when you went back to Italy?
When they told me I had to go back home, it was like I was like very sad. I know it just like happened so fast, so I didn't even have the time to realize. But anyway, when I got back home, it was so strange because first of all, I hadn't seen my family for like 7 months, and at this time I was stuck with them after 7 months of not seeing them. And also like I got home, and for 2 months the only thing I saw was my home. I kept doing the American school. It was like another reality. It was very strange.
What are you doing now? What is Alessandro Lupi doing now?
What I'm doing, I'm doing the last year of high school because we have 13th grade, and this is like the hardest year. So yeah, basically I'm studying. But apart from that, I don't know. I'm going out, kind of partying, and that's all because it's the last year. So it's like I'm doing another senior year.
Okay, Alex, thank you for your answers and your time.
Yeah, no, thank you.
I hope you do well in your school year and in life. Thank you. Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Michael. It's been great to hear from Alessandro. Now over to Grace with the sports.
Thanks, Alex. Athletes have slowly started coming back to campus and for conditioning and skill building, and I'm sure they love getting out of the house. Some spring sports will soon start joining the preseason workout schedule, so be sure to complete your athletic form as soon as possible and keep watching TNN for daily updates. And as always, if you've still been working out during the pandemic, send us photos and highlights so we can give you props on TNN, and use the link that is down below.
And that's all we have for you this week, Tigers. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Alex Thorne.
And I'm Grace Byde, and it's been a pleasure bringing you the news. Now go find a way to make someone's day better. Bye, Tigers.